Important considerations and warnings. Extreme caution. Modifying the registry incorrectly can cause serious problems, including system instability, application malfunctions, or even prevent Windows from booting. Always back up the registry, or at least the specific keys you plan to modify, before making any changes. Backup options. You can back up individual keys by exporting them as .reg files, or you can perform a full system state backup, which includes the entire registry. Regedit limitations. While Regedit allows for manual editing, for more complex tasks or automation, command line tools like regadd, regdelete, regquery, and regimport can be used. Registry cleaners. While some third-party registry cleaner tools exist, their effectiveness is often debated, and they can sometimes cause more harm than good if not used carefully. Microsoft generally doesn't recommend using them. In essence, the Windows Registry is the central brain of your Windows operating system, storing the intricate details of its configuration and behavior. While powerful, it requires a careful and informed approach when making any modifications.